Hello guys, welcome back. Myself Manish Mittal from SURAJ Senior Secondary School, Mahendragarh. Dear students, today I will discuss with you chapter Bank Reconciliation Statement. First of all, what do you mean by the Bank Reconciliation Statement? Dear students, in short word, due to some reason, there will be the difference between the bank balance of cash book and passbook. To reconcile this difference, we prepare bank reconciliation statement. Its definition is, it is a statement prepared mainly to reconcile the difference between the bank balance shown by the cash book and bank passbook. Due to some reason, there is difference between the bank balance of cash book and passbook. Through bank reconciliation statement, we reconcile the difference between the bank balance shown by the cash book and passbook. Dear students, first of all, I will tell you about the format of bank reconciliation statement. It will be the format of bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement as on the date for which you are prepared bank reconciliation statement. This column particular, this column plus item, and this column minus item. First of all, dear students, there should be one balance should be given, that will be the through cash book or passbook. For cash book, if given debit balance as per cash book, debit balance as per cash book, that will be the plus item. Second case, credit balance as per cash book, that will be the minus item. These are the two balances related to cash book. Now passbook, debit balance as per passbook, that will be the minus item, and credit balance as per passbook, that will be the plus item. Dear student, debit balance as per cash book plus item, credit balance as per cash book minus item, debit balance as per passbook minus item, credit balance as per passbook plus item. Here one balance should be given and some item will be debit and some item will be credit. I take, if debit balance as per cash book are given, then what item will be add and what item will be less. If debit balance as per cash book given, then these item will be add items. First one, check issued but not presented for payment. If check issued, then your cash book will be decreased, cash book bank will decrease, but not presented for payment, there is no effect on the passbook. Then for reconcile, you increase the cash book and that will be your plus item. Second, number 2, credit made by bank to the customer. if any credit made by the bank to the customer, that will increase in the passbook and not effect in the cash book. So you will increase the cash book and that will be your plus item. Next, interest and dividend. Interest and dividend collected by bank. Interest and dividend collected by bank. Any interest and dividend collected by bank, then increase in passbook and there is no effect on the cash book. Then for reconcile, you will increase the cash book and that will be your plus item. Amount directly deposited by the customer in our bank. If any customer deposit in our bank account, that will increase our passbook but no change in the cash book. Now you will also increase the cash book. That will be the plus item. Now I will discuss with you some minus item. The item which will be minus, less item. First of all, amount check sent to bank for collection but not credited by bank. Any check sent to bank for collection, then your bank column will be in passbook will be in cash book will be increased and no change in the passbook because passbook cannot created by bank. So for reconcile, you decrease the cash book and that your minus item. Direct payment made by bank on behalf of customer. If bank made any payment on behalf of customer, then your bank passbook will decrease. No change, no effect on the cash book. To reconcile the cash book, you should minus from the cash book and that your minus item. Next point is debit made by bank for commission and bank charges. Any debit made by bank for commission and bank charges, then your pass will be decreased and no effect in the cash book. To reconcile it, you should minus for item. Number 4, check issued but omitted to be record in cash book. If you issue any check and bank made payment for it, then your passbook will decrease. But you omitted to be recorded in cash book. Your cash book retains same. To reconcile it, you should minus from the cash book and that will be your minus item. Dear students, I hope you understand it. If you understand it, then like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.